Binigyang diin ngayon ni NEDA Director General Arsenio Balisacan ang kahalagahan ng pagpapaunlad ng mga negosyo sa kanayunan. Sinabi ni Balisacan na malaki ang maitutulong nito sa pagbubukas ng trabaho para sa mga mamamayan. Narito ang report ni George Bandola.
Hinimok ng mga ekonomista, mga local government leaders na makiisa sa pagpapalakas ng ekonomiya ng bansa sa pamamagitan ng pagpapabilis ng pagnenegosyo sa kanilang mga nasasakupan. Ayon sa National Economic and Development Authority, higit anuman kailangan na padaliin ang pagnenegosyo sa mga kanayunan para dumami ang trabaho doon.
To make growth inclusive, our role in government, from the national to the local, is to provide a level playing field so that everyone has a chance to participate in the growth process and to benefit from economic progress. Improving and sustaining competitiveness is important in this respect.
Sabi naman ng United States Agency for International Development, hindi dapat na makontento ang Pilipinas sa ilang urban sites sa bansa tulad ng Metro Manila, Cebu at Davao at iba pa. Kailangan na lumawak pang urbanization hanggang maabot ng Pilipinas ang inclusive growth sa aspetong kailangang planuhing maigi ang urbanization.
When we talk about achieving inclusive growth, that will not be possible if all the growth is happening in one concentrated area. And so the idea of trying to promote competitiveness among cities is a really important complement for making the growth be dispersed throughout the Philippines.
Sa tala ng USAID, 62% ng pag-unlad ng bansa ay nakasentro lamang sa Metro Manila, kaya dinudumog ang Metro Manila ng mga nakatira sa kanayunan dahil sa pangarap na umunlad.
We believe that urbanization will continue to grow. Urban areas provide the services, the schools, health, sanitation, and economic opportunities. They provide higher incomes and generate employment. And so we know that the trend will continue towards that. And that is why it's important to focus on competitiveness.
Umaasa naman ang NEDA na dahil nailatag na ng pamahalaan ng mga nararapat, siguradong makakaungos pang bansa at makakamit ang inaasam na inclusive growth bago matapos ang administrasyon.
Our assessment of the country's economic performance in the past 3 years confirmed that good governance, strong macroeconomic fundamentals, notably sustainable and fiscal external positions, and a stable financial sector, and political stability are crucial in creating a favorable climate for investment and in sustaining economic growth.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.